Hey, this is Mike, and in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Panopto videos available on the web with a web link. So here I am in my Panopto folder in Blackboard with my student submissions, and I'm going to go ahead and hover over one of the submissions that I'd like to share, and I click Share. And now it's going to ask me who can access this video. Only specific people and groups. I'll hit Change. I'll choose Public Unlisted. And now down here it's going to show me a link that I can copy. I'll hit Copy Link. And now I've got that link that I can then use to post to an email or a website or something like that. The other thing I can do is I can click on the embed, and that's right here, embed. And if I click on embed, now I have a lot of options. I can choose the aspect ratio, I can choose the size of the embed, I can choose what time it starts at, and I can choose whether or not it auto plays. So I'm going to copy the embed code, and now that embed code is copied, and now I can go ahead and do something like embed that in a Google site or in a web page. And that's it. If you can't get it to embed with that embed code, then just go ahead and choose link and copy that link, and then you'll be able to share it that way.